Transform your vision into stunning visuals. From smooth cinematic shots to jaw-dropping aerial views. Whether you're on the move or in the studio, these 2026 cameras and drones make filming effortless and fun. All these gadgets links are in the description below. Number 8. Canon EOS R7 Mark. Get ready, Canon's next powerhouse is rumored to redefine what a crop sensor mirrorless camera can do. This is developing into a next-generation APS-C mirrorless flagship anticipated to launch in early 2026, combining high-resolution, exceptional speed, and advanced video capabilities within a compact design. Speculation suggests a stacked 39 to 40 MP BSI APS-C sensor with quicker data readout and enhanced low-light performance, a state-of-the-art DJI X processor, and Canon's industry-leading dual-pixel CMOS AF2 featuring improved subject tracking, ideal for action, wildlife, and content creators. It is expected to offer very high-speed continuous shooting rates of up to 30 to 40 frames per second and support for 8K, 60p, or 4K, 120p video. Also include enhanced in-body image stabilization approximately 8 stops, a high-resolution OLED EVF, a fully articulating touchscreen, and dual memory card slots, all housed in a robust, weather-sealed RF mount body. Number 7. DJI MAVIC 4 Pro. Ready to take your aerial filmmaking to the next level? Equipped with a triple camera setup that features a 100MP Hasselblad main camera, 2 large sensor telephoto cameras, and a 360 rotating gimbal capable of a 70 upward tilt, this drone is designed to capture breathtaking 6K to 60 frames per second HDR video and professional quality photos in all lighting conditions. It can fly for up to 51 minutes on a single charge, is equipped with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and supports DJI O4 Plus transmission over distances of up to 30 kilometers, ensuring smooth and high-quality footage, while intelligent flight modes such as Active Track 360 simplify the process of capturing cinematic shots. Number 6. Ricoh GR IV Monochrome. Imagine shooting timeless, museum-worthy black and white photos straight out of the camera. This innovative compact camera is designed exclusively for black and white photography, eliminating the color filter array to allow the APS-C 25.7 4MP monochrome CMOS sensor to achieve remarkable contrast, detail, and tonal depth that standard cameras cannot replicate. It combines this distinctive sensor, fixed prime lens, 5-axis sensor shift image stabilization, hybrid autofocus, and creatively optimized monochrome controls. With an extensive ISO range reaching up to 409,600, support for RAW and JPEG formats, a 3 touchscreen, 53 GB of internal storage with microSD expansion, and full HD 60p video capabilities, it remains compact yet highly functional. The design is both pocket-friendly and durable, featuring a sleek blacked-out look. Number 5. HoverA Aqua Flying Camera. Meet the world's first drone that's not afraid to get wet. Your ultimate waterproof flying camera is here. This innovative drone is completely waterproof and self-flying, specifically crafted for aquatic activities. It can float on water, taking off and landing directly from the surface, and is equipped with a 4K 100 frames per second camera featuring a 1-1.28-inch CMOS sensor and a hydrophobic anti-fog lens, ensuring crystal clear footage even in wet environments. With hands-free AI tracking, it offers up to 23 minutes of flight time, reaches speeds of up to 55 km/h, and withstands winds of level 7, allowing for effortless cinematic shot capture. You can control it with the Lighthouse wearable, explore over 15 smart flight modes, and preview your shots on its 1.6-inch AMOLED display. Number 4. Fujifilm X Pro 4. The next king of street photography might just redefine what a mirrorless rangefinder can be, and the Fujifilm X Pro 4 leaks are dropping everything we've been waiting for. A next-generation X-Trans sensor offers incredible detail and dynamic range, combine newest high-speed X processor for quicker autofocus and enhanced performance in low-light situations. Featuring improved refresh rates and parallax control, ideal for street, documentary, and travel photographers, along with significantly better handling and ergonomics. Body image stabilization may provide exceptionally smooth handheld shooting, even in difficult conditions. Advanced video capabilities such as 6.2K, 30p, and 4K, 60p recording, strong connectivity options, and weather sealing complete what appears to be a highly versatile tool for both creators and professionals. Number 3. Anti-Gravity A1. Ever wondered what it feels like to be the drone and capture every angle of your world at once? Meet the future of aerial content creation. This is the first consumer 8K 360 drone in the world, which captures stunning immersive video that allows you to reframe shots after flying. B&H Photo Video Plus One, it is equipped with dual January 1st, 28-inch sensors that can record 8K at 30 frames per second, 5.2K at 60 frames per second, or 4K at 100 frames per second 360 footage, featuring Insta360 style, invisible stitching, and robust editing tools. Pro Video Coalition, the included vision goggles come with dual micro OLED screens and a grip motion controller, making the flying experience intuitive. Simply look around and point to navigate as if you were soaring through the sky. With a maximum flight time of 24 minutes, high-capacity battery, GPS stability, obstacle avoidance, and intelligent modes. Number 2. Sony Alpha 7V. Unleash your creativity where professional photography meets next-level innovation. This mirrorless camera features a 33MP Exmor RS CMOS sensor along with 5-axis and body image stabilization, ensuring exceptionally sharp still images and smooth video even in difficult conditions. Capture rapid action at speeds of up to 30 frames per second without any blackout during shooting, while the sophisticated AI autofocus with real-time subject recognition accurately tracks people, animals, and more. Create breathtaking 4K videos or professional quality photos with remarkable detail, all within a compact and lightweight design that is ideal for creators on the move. Included with the camera are the NP-FZ100 battery, strap, and body cap. Number 1. DJI RS4 Mini. Say goodbye to shaky footage. This tiny gimbal packs professional stabilization in the palm of your hand. Designed for content creators, vloggers, and filmmakers seeking smooth, cinematic shots while on the move. Featuring intelligent follow modes, optional AI-powered tracking, and second-generation auto-axis locks, setup is quicker than ever. Its vertical shooting mode, 1.4 color touchscreen, and various follow modes simplify the process of capturing creative shots. The 3100 mAh battery provides up to 13 hours of operation, and USB-C charging offers convenience while traveling. And that's a wrap for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Which one did you like the most? Drop your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a future upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.